Here's what's making news on Roadshow. Tesla's Model Y has finally been unveiled to the public, and surprise, surprise, it looks like a Model 3 went and got questionable Model X plastic surgery. Still, the Y will be available in all your favorite Tesla trim levels from standard all the way through high performance, and can be had with a third row of seating. Though, we really don't envy whoever's got a sit back there. Elon says it should hit customers' hands in the fall of 2020. The Securities and Exchange Commission, aka the federal agency that likes to pee in Elon Musk's Wheaties over what he says on Twitter, is suing Volkswagen and its former CEO, Martin WINTERKORN, over Dieselgate, saying that the company defrauded investors. See, it turns out that issuing $13 billion in bonds to investors without telling them that you built 500,000 dirty GD diesels is something of a problem. You know, legally speaking. Ferrari is issuing a recall for 2,100 of its vehicles over fire risk, and while that number seems tiny when compared to, say, the Takata recall, for Ferrari, it's pretty huge. It's also huge in the sense that the models which are being recalled span essentially the whole modern Ferrari range, including the LaFerrari Aperta. The fire risk stems from a fuel vapor separator that can crack leaking fuel vapors. Ferrari will begin notifying owners of affected cars next month, and the repair, like all recalls, will be performed for free. Find more on these stories over at theroadshow.com. We'll talk to you Monday.